Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we'll design this object, this geometric object. Let me make it more visible. Okay. Sorry about that. For me to draw, let me start from the middle. The circle in the middle is 27.5 radius, and the outer one is 45 units radius. And by me looking at this object, there's a symmetry. We have a symmetry. If I divide this into two, the upper part is equal, is a mirror image of the lower part. If I divide it vertically across, the left side is a mirror image to the right side. So let me focus on the upper side. So let me first of all draw a circle of length of radius 27.5, and then start circle command again. This one is 45, and then let me make sure that my polar tracking is set at 30 degrees and is active. And let me draw the other circle. The other circle is this small circle here is radius 10. So what I want to do is draw it in the middle and then move it using direct distance entry method to this place, making sure that I align it to 30 degrees to the vertical axis. I hope you understand. Align it at 30 degrees to the vertical axis using a polar tracking, but using direct distance entry method to place it at this point. So let me draw it here. It's radius 10, and then let me go to move command, select it, the circle, press enter. The base point, very important, should be in the mid center of the circle. Now you can see this is 90 degrees. If I get to 120, I'll just type in is 60 units away from the center of the bigger circle. So 60, and then enter. So if you look at it, that's what we have. This is 60. The distance between the two centers is 60 units. So let me draw the bigger circle that is a radius of 18. Let me start circle. They should be concentric, radius 18, and then let me zoom in and then go to trim. Trim off here, and then fillet. Fillet here is 5. So let me set the radius first. Set the radius to 5, and then fillet. And then let me, the next thing is to mirror. I want to mirror everything here to this side, using the center of this circle as one of the mirror points. So if I click on mirror, it will ask me to select objects. So I'll use window selection to select the ones that I want, and then press enter. It's asking for mirror line, so I'll click here at the center of the circle and make sure my polar tracking is saying 90 degrees. Now click anywhere along that line, then enter. I've created my mirror image. Now if I go back to this drawing, you can see that I have another arc here that is a radius 17 units. So I'll create a circle. I'll create a tangent reduced circle. Sorry about that. My first tangent should be here, second tangent should be here, and my radius is 17. So all I need to do is to use trim to trim off here, here, and here, then enter. You can see we're almost there. So I still need to do one more mirror. I'll select all of this using window selection, and then in the middle across. So you can see we have the only thing remaining are these lines that are here, and you can see we have radial symmetry with those two pairs of lines, and we have 6 of them. So we can use polar array to create this object. But first of all, we need to create the first instance of the pair of lines. So to do that, I'll draw a line from the center of this circle across, And then if you look at the drawing, you can see the line, the distance between the two lines is 8 units. So I'll offset, using offset distance should be 4. I'll offset this to 4 on this side, and to this side 4. Then I'll remove the center line. So I can now use trim. sorry about that. Use trim to trim off this side. So you can see I have the pair of lines centrally located at this point. So all I need to do is to go to modify, panel, go to the flyout of array, click on polar. It will ask me to select the object. So I'll just select the two lines using crossing selection and press enter. It will ask me for the center point of array. So I'll come here and select the center. And that's it. I'm done. Then press enter to terminate, and we are good to go. Thanks for watching.